everyone, today we are going to narrate about the brief life of the Buddha. We are undergraduate of Faculty of Education in English. We are now studying at Sangha College, Ongtu Mahavihara Temple. It is situated in Chanthaburi district, Vientiane, capital city of Laos. So, my name is Mangkampan Panyalat. I live in Koh Luang Temple. The brief life of the Buddha. Siddhartha Gautama was born more than 2,500 years ago in the small kingdom of Kapila Vasatu near the Himalayas in northern India. His father was King Suttotana and his mother was Queen Maya. Soon after Prince Siddhartha was born, many wise Brahmins come to see him. 7 of the wisest said, if he were a king, he would become a great king, or if he were a monk, he would become a great religious leader. But Gondwana, the youngest of the Brahmins, said, he will not be a king, he will be the Buddha. King Suttotana was not happy when he heard this. He asked back to the youngest of the Brahmins that, what is it that my son decided to be a monk? After that, the youngest of the Brahmins said, the foresight that you make him dislike that. And the king asked again, what is the foresight? The youngest of the Brahmins said, the foresights are old man, a sick man, a dead man, and a monk. When he knew the truth, he only confined his son in the palace because he wanted his son to become a great king. He told Queen Maya, I will make his life in the palace so happy that our son will never want to leave.